Baby shark doo-doo-doo wait, splashing in the ocean blue on wiggle waggle tail so fast. Let's find fun that really lasts. Baby shark is swimming wide and doing flips from side to side. Then suddenly, big roar, roar, roar! Something jumps out near the shore. Tiny Dino sneezes, splash! He falls into the blue. Got baby shark laughs. Hey, are you okay?
Oh, no.
Dino says, oops, I'm just trying to play. Hey! Dino stomps, boom, boom, boom. Makes big waves like zoom, zoom, zoom. Baby shark spins round and round. Both are making funny sounds. Splash, splash, wiggle, wag. Big Dino dances, shark goes whack. They try to copy each other moves. Dino swims, oh no, he grooves. Baby shark walks like a day, no two. They both laugh, hoo, hoo, hoo. They find food floating by Dino eats, then starts to fly. Ha ha! Woo! He goes super loud. Baby shark laughs very proud. Food falls everywhere, splashy mess. Oops, we made a funny stress. Ha ha! Dino jumps, boom, in sand. Now he's stuck on a plan. Baby shark tries to pull him free. Push, push, push. 1, 2, 3. I slip, splash into sea head. Both go spinning like crazy spree. Oopsie doo, what a day. Funniest friends in every way. Now they laugh and splash all day, doing silly games they play. Dino roars, baby shark sings hell. Friendship, joy that ocean brings them. Baby shark and Dino fun. Best silly friends under the sun. Moo! Moo! What's that sound? Hungry cow is on the ground. Crunchy munchy, here she comes, eating everything. Yum, yum, yum. Hungry cow sees apple red. Yummy snack, she goes ahead. Crunch, crunch, oh so fast. Apple disappeared at last. Moo, moo, moo. Choo, choo, choo. What else is she gonna do? Farm is shaking left and right. Cow is eating day and night. Next she sees a big green hat. Is that food? I eat that. Chomp, chomp. Hat is gone. Farmer shouts, what is wrong? Moo, 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 moo. Munching fun. Cow is faster than a run. Everything she sees nearby disappears before our eyes. Cow eats carrots, Toot eats a shoe. Even eats a toy or two. Jumping fence, she takes a bite. Oh no, that's not food, alright? Moo, 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 what a mess. Cow is causing pure distress. Crunch and munch and never stop. Everything goes pop, pop, pop. Farmer brings a giant cake. Stop right there, for goodness sake. But cow says, yummy treat, and swallows it in one big eat. But moo, moo, oh my wow. Cow is eating cake right now. Sprinkles flying in the air. Cow is munching everywhere. Farmer laughs, okay my friend. Maybe eating must now end. Cow just smiles and says moo, moo. I just love to munch, it's true. Moo, 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 moo. Slow it down. Don't eat everything around. Happy cow now takes a break. No more giant food mistake. Moo, 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 choo, choo, choo. Hungry cow is done with food. Clap your hands and sing along. Cow is part of funny song. friends all gather round. Color balloons are floating around. Baby shark wears party hat. Where's my cake? I want it now. Thuddy yum yum, cake so sweet. Chocolate jelly, what a treat. Wait, wait, don't be late. Bring me my big birthday cake. Mommy shark brings a giant cake. Wiggle, wiggle, it starts to shake. Is it dancing? Is it alive? Cake said hello, what a surprise. Baby shark jumps back in shock. Cake starts spinning, tick tock tock. Shake, shake, funny cake. Wobble, wobble, silly cake. Is it real or is it fake? Talking, dancing birthday cake. Daddy shark says cut it fast. Cake runs away super fast. Grandma laughs, grandpa slips. Frosting lands on everyone's lips. Fish are sliding on the cream. This is wild, it's like a dream. Run, run, catch that cake. Don't let it escape the plate. Jump and splash and twist and shake. Catch that naughty birthday cake. Baby shark tries one more time. Come here, cake, you will be mine. He jumps up high, splash. Oh no! Falls straight into frosting snow. Now he's covered head to toe. Looks like cake. Hello, hello. Messy mess, what a sight. Baby shark is creamy white. Laugh, laugh, clap your fins. Hooray fun, everybody wins. Cake stops running, soft and sweet. Okay, friends, now you can eat. Everyone takes a yummy bite. Best cake ever, pure delight. Candles glowing, wishes made. Happy smiles never fade. Clap, 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 hooray, hooray. Best birthday ever today. Sing along and celebrate. Fun with baby shark and cake. Pop the balloons, dance around. Happy laughter fills the sound. Baby shark waves goodbye. See you next time, don't be shy. Baby shark. Baby shark. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Yummy, yummy teeth. Brush, brush, brush. Mommy shark. Brush, brush, brush. Daddy shark. Brush, brush, brush. Grandpa shark. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Funny verses. Baby shark ate lots of fish at night. His teeth went yellow. What a sight! Mommy said, oh no, no, no. Time to brush, let's go, go, go. He brushed up and down like a crazy clown. Brushed round and round, upside down. Brush left side, swish, swish, swish. Brush right side, swish, swish, swish. Funny action part, toothpaste on. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Bubbles coming, bloop, bloop, bloop. Spit it out, toop, toop, toop. Now his teeth go shine, shine, shine. Super funny ending. Baby shark looked in the mirror, smiled so big. Wow, I'm a winner! His teeth so white, shiny and bright. He danced and sang with all his might. Now every morning, every night, baby shark brushes with D-White. If you want teeth like baby shark, brush, brush, brush. Yay, yay, yay! Yay, yay, yay! Yay, yay, yay! Brush, brush, brush. Yay, yay, yay! Brush, brush, brush. Swish, swish, swish. Sparkle, sparkle, shine. Baby shark teeth, super fine. Yay, yay, yay! Family fun, yay, yay, yay! Ellie, Ellie, where are you? Little elephant, we miss you. Jump and cloud and walk, walk, walk. Find your family, hip, hip, hooray. Baby Ellie went to play one day in the jungle, green and far away. She saw pretty flowers, red and blue. Followed a butterfly. Oh, where are you? Ellie, Ellie, where are you? Little elephant, we miss She walked and walked on her tiny feet, met a naughty monkey swinging so sweet. Monkey said, "Come climb with me," but Ellie said, "Oh no, I want my mommy." Then she met a wise old parrot bright. Parrot said, "Don't worry, we'll fly right." Giraffe stretched tall and looked around, pointed the way with a happy sound. All the friends helped Ellie find the way. Through the river and tall grass they play. She heard her mommy's trumpet so loud, ran fast and hugged her in a big cloud. Now baby Ellie is happy and gay, never goes far when she wants to play, holds mommy's tail tight every day. Family love is the best play. Trumpet, trumpet,